It's the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Yes, we got Santa Claus come in, the reindeers prancing across the sky, sleigh bells ringing, snowdrops falling. And I thought we'd bring some winter festive season paintings to you. Now, I want you to decide which ones you want to paint. We've got Christmas coming up, and you can use these ideas with all of my consent as far as Christmas card paintings is concerned. I want to thank you very much for joining me in the studio, and I thought if this goes successfully, I might even do another personal choice again next week. Let me know what you think. You click on which one you want to paint and show me on Facebook your results. It's the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Thank you for making your selection, and I shall see you soon in the studio for another live painting. Bye.